Guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Slack app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, come here to notify me about replace to threads. Clicking this sign of this color. Like you see color it's gone. That's me notify me about replace to threads disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.